Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. I have no clue if this is going to be the beginning of a vlog or a continuation. We are leaving for Hawaii tomorrow, and yes, I waited last minute to pack. Actually, I didn't wait last minute. I just had a bunch of things to do. Like, I had to get my hair done yesterday. My eyelashes filled this morning. We had Maddie's, our friend's daughter's birthday party earlier, and then we had run a bunch of errands. We have to also still cook Clay's food before we drop them off tomorrow. So yeah, we had lots to do these past couple days, and so now it's the night before, and I'm finally getting around to packing, and I still have to do my nails, so there's that. Honestly, I just always pack like comfy clothes, stuff that's easy to wear, just because we don't really have plans for this Hawaii trip. We're going with my family and my grandparents, so we're just gonna take it slow and probably just chill at the beach and eat the whole time. So let's get to packing. My next dilemma is, how many bathing suits do I pack? I'm there for 8 days. Do I pack 8 bathing suits? Such a cute angle. Keep in mind, I haven't packed for a trip in over a year and a half, so I don't know what to pack. You know, like, what do I pack? Do I have 2 of the same bathing suits? Oh my god. I have 2 of the same bathing suits. What the freak? I literally have the same bathing suit. That's dumb. Why did I do that? I also don't want anything that's like weird tan lines, you know? Ain't nobody got time for that. I have a drawer full of bathing suits and I can't find any that I like. What the heck do I wear? I'm going to go eat. It's a mess. Pulled out a bunch of tops that I might bring. I just have to like skim through them and see what I really want to bring. Okay, it's really messy behind me. I bought some items for the trip that I thought I would show you guys. I bought these Aritzia Atmosphere biker shorts. I heard that they're really good. They're really soft and they're really stretchy. I tried them on already. But just some biker shorts, and they come in different lengths. I think I got these 7-inch high rise because I don't like it when it goes down to my knees. Like, I want it to, it's a mess, y'all. I like it to go like down to my mid thighs, so I got a 7-inch. Then I also bought a couple pair of jean shorts just because, one, I haven't worn jean shorts in so long, but I also feel like all my jean shorts are just really tight and short, and you know, we're all about comfy and like loose fitting clothes nowadays. So I bought these ones from Levi's. They're the 501 shorts high rise. So I mean, these ones are still shorter, but like the ones that I have are like short compared to these. I bought these ones and they actually came in today. They were supposed to come in on Monday, which would have sucked, but these are the 501. I pulled off the tags already. I think these ones are called, they're the 501 like mid thigh shorts. So these ones go a little bit longer, which I tried these on and these are really cute too. And then I just bought a bunch of other random stuff, like the TSA size approved liquids bag. I mainly bought this for Mexico because I am checking in a bag, but I mainly bought this for my Mexico trips next week because I'm just bringing a carry-on. I also bought a new tripod because I wanted something small and nothing like super big or crazy. So I bought this one that's kind of like skinny and goes upwards, because all the ones that I have are like actual tripods where it's like big. So I bought this. And then I also bought, I haven't opened it yet, but it's the waver for your hair. That one.
you're supposed to eat it with. You're supposed to eat it with like other food.
Oh.
There you go. There it goes. Nice. Oh yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
First drink of Hawaii.
As an engaged couple.
As an engaged couple. I can't see.
Touch my pineapple.
Good morning from Hawaii, day 2.
My hair.
I don't know what we're doing today.
Yeah,
but we're in Hawaii.
You're here. You don't even show my face.
We're waiting to go get coffee.
It's so
for breakfast.
Or like it's like cloudy.
It's cloudy right now and kind of windy, but it's really hot. So
Not hot yet.
see what we do. Oh yeah. When everybody leaves, one left. One of each.
Oh yeah. That sounds
I was like, I got a short tan. It's the light.
I'm full. I need to take a nap.
Did you find any?
Oh! Ah, look at that. Look at that.
Yummy.
Good luck getting out of there.
Hey,
I don't think I'm going to be able to.
scoop it. You got dirt all over the thing.
Oh, Rob. Rob. Trying to
Day 2 of trying to find the mochi malasadas. You excited?
Yeah, my mouth is drool.
Mochi malasadas. How excited are you? We tried to come here yesterday. They only had ube. And we came back and then they were all out. This is where you go. And it's to the left.
Better than Leonard's? It's different. Maybe it's doing right away.
It's chewy, but crunchy on the outside. Good. I don't really taste the ube though. Or it's not like strong.
It tastes like this one Filipino dessert. Banana Q.
What'd you get?
Vintage Kona. Macadamia and coconut with pea chips.
That's really good. Wow, you did really good.
Hey, hey!
Was it worth the 40-minute wait?
No. Actually, yeah, that's pretty worth it. We'll not wait an hour though.
No. We went like an hour, like 7 a.m. after they opened at 6 or 6:30. So by the time we left, the line was like definitely over an hour wait. So
at least
go
an hour
early.
and a half if you're at the end of the line.
How's that?
This is a side brew. Side brew, side mule. Yeah, try it. Good.
That's what the fire is, I think.
The big
Pick up.
Okay.
Oh, glass of water.
No more rice?
I just put my fingers in there.
Softball. Yes, please. I look sunburned. It's hot.
It is hot. So. Yeah. Yeah, seriously though. That's what was always in your kitchen.
Oxtail soup. Look who surprised me in Hawaii. Hi, I'm a little boy. Oh my god. Successful. Were you surprised? Yes, very surprised.
My job is done.
I wasn't expecting this, and then I wasn't expecting this in Hawaii.
And that, I guess, too.
And that. And this one. Ah! Spicy, what is this?
I'm actually looking right now.
Super crispy. But hard to chew. Last night at this burger joint.
Prime rib locomoco. Pancakes, kimchi, fried rice, omelet.
Not.
Boiling crab and how about your video is gonna be like Hawaii.
I know. I'm alive.
I'm alive.
I'm alive and I'm
Back
You didn't even
What?
use your GoPro in the ocean.
Do you want me to do the laugh?
I know.
Fail.
It's for everybody.
Catfish. The mango, lily koi, and banana. and condensed milk.
Where's like the Matterhorn?
Is that too cold?
Our view nighttime. So pretty. It is popping out there.
If you get a big car, I'll
Spam
recommend you
movies
wait the next
for
Forerunner to come out.
snacks.
Man, I wouldn't
See
mind
what-
getting a Forerunner.
See what benefits they do, because the current one that we have. There you go. There it goes. Nice.
Okay, hold your breath.
One.
I had to look away from everyone because as soon as I like took a breath, I started laughing. I was like, oh no, I can't do it.
Oh,
I did it.
we did it.
Tonkatsu Ginza Byron.
We got
think that's
Tonkatsu Ginza Byron to go because they had no reservations. What's yours?
Thick cut pork
Uh-huh.
katsu.
And this one is
Kuro bota.
kurabuto.
Wow. Okay, that piece was the one that I was waiting for. Mine is the
Little red one.
you and I have the thick cut one.
Dip it in some sauce.
The thick cut. That was the bite that you were waiting for,
That
Or
was
was that-
good.
or was it the other one?
First reaction.
A lot
Wow,
of
it's not dry.
there's a lot of flavor on this. Yeah, that's the thing.
Very
It's juicy and buttery. You know how most are kind of usually dry?
yeah.
Like it's like if
Tonkatsu could be sweet.
Like a fillet. Tonkatsu. What do you think? Yeah.
Some spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti's good.
it's our last day. We leave today.
Yeah.
I'm so sad.
Think we'll be back in October.
It's true. We will be back in October for our friend's wedding. But I'm so happy to get back to the boys tonight. What was your favorite part?
Eating out with your grandparents, because it's pretty cool. They haven't gone here in like 50, 40 years.
I'm gonna do spicy ahi and spicy.